Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for Capricorn Earth sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see what's the messages for you, Capricorn. In relationship wise, what's the message for you? Oh, Three of Cups and the King of Swords, Eight of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think there is third party situation between both of you. That's why you feeling very stuck and you want to move on from this connection. King of Swords. Yes, you made decision. You are very honest in this connection, but you, due to only for some there is third party situation. That's why you want to move on. And self love, new love. For some there is new love coming in your life. So let's see some more messages. For some, only for some third party. Queen of Wands, lot of passion. Knight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. Yes, for some there is separation also. Emperor. Yeah, Eight of Swords and Five of Pentacles. You want to move on from this connection and you stand by your power, definitely, because Queen of Wands and the Emperor. Even if you have feelings for your person, but you want to move, you decided to move forward in your life irrespective of all this. Because when you are in relationship, you're feeling very stuck. You are thinking about a lot, about your person or relationship. Other than relationship, there are several aspects in life like goals, whatever. There are several things. So I think you are feeling stuck, Capricorn. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection and you are doing self-love. And the Emperor. Self-love is not easy as saying like do self-love. It's very, very difficult, but when you overcome this difficult, it is going to be, definitely you will stand by your power. The Emperor is very. So let's see some more messages. Definitely you will overcome because you are very powerful. Queen of Wands, the Magician. Yes, you are going to be manifest whatever you want to. Wow, Two of Cups. You love this person, but Three of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. Yes, you want to work on yourself, or your person also want to come towards you and work on this relationship for some. So who are in separation, your person want to come again in your life to work on this relationship. But you are now concentrating on your feelings rather than the relationship. So let's see your person energy. The Rebel, Emperor. You are in masculine energy, your person is also in masculine energy. Harmony, Ten of Cups. They want harmony with you. Ten of Cups, they want Ten of Cups with you. The Burden, Six of Swords. Communication. Yes, I think some communication you are going to be received in month of August, Capricorn. And the Creator. The Sun. Yes, you are their happiness. Definitely they are seeing you very positive way, but I think they are not putting effort as much as you. That's why you are leaving this person and you want to work on yourself, but your person want to come to your life again and they want to work on this relationship also. Some communication issues between both of the outsider. Two-time Five of Pentacles. Your person also feel like outsider. Projections. Yes, I think your person fantasizing about you a lot. So it's up to you. Definitely your person will approach you. So it's up to you to accept your person offer or not, because you are in magician mode. You are wishing your person to come towards you. Definitely they will communicate you and they will make a move towards you, because Two of Cups is here. They are coming but slow. But I think you may I think in this month of August you decided to work on yourself. You are manifesting your powers and spiritual awakening, whatever is you are manifesting yourself. I am getting. So your person will approach you. It's up to you. Communication is coming, but I think you are not going to accept their offer for some, because due to third party, those who have third party are not going to be accept, but who don't have third party, for some there will be reconciliation also. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.